So in real time, which database we use means Microsoft SQL Server. If they are going with license based, they go with SQL Server or Oracle or DB2. These three are license based. Remaining are community editions. Now I showed you one database just now. That database we are using for our application. This application. Now I'm logging to the database using, sorry, logging to the application using username and password. I logged in here. So this functionality is working from where? One of the relational database system. The relational database system, we are using MySQL. So who will decide this, which database should be used? Decided by solution architect. Application solution architect will decide. Application solution architect will tell the information to AWS solution architect. AWS solution architect will draw the diagrams like this, and he will share it with DevOps engineers, cloud and DevOps engineers. Cloud and DevOps engineers, they will provision whatever is mentioned by solution architect. Like this. This is self-hosted. It is not provisioned by platform as service, it's a self-hosted. So this diagram is given by a solution architect to a DevOps, cloud and DevOps engineer. For solution architect, who has given application solution architect? They decided which database to use. I'm just fetching one data for you. I just want to share some insights, then move further from here. Who will give this information is simple application architect. Based on the application, what they are developing it, they will give it. In our scenario of cloud binary, we are using two scenarios here. One is NoSQL database. The other one is SQL database. NoSQL database in AWS, what we have is DynamoDB. If I go to services, if I go to databases, for example, let me duplicate this. Go to services, go to databases, manage NoSQL database. We are using NoSQL database. Who has decided this? Application architect. In a one application, two databases we are using it. It's possible, doable. Like this, based on the requirement to requirement, databases will vary, means different. Now we are using Insta, Facebook, Twitter. They are using more than one database. As a cloud binary itself using two databases. One is a relational database management system. The other one is NoSQL. But if you take an example of Facebook, Insta, all these people are using more than one database. Neptune database. What is the use of this database? Graph database services. Graph. And RDS, just now we are working with RDS. It's a relational database system. DynamoDB, NoSQL database, a serverless database for applications that need high performance at any scale. Then you have Redshift. Redshift is like a warehouse, data warehouse. Dump yard, you can say warehouse. DMS, data by migration service. Basically, whenever you buy a new phone, from old phone to new phone, you migrate the data. Whenever you buy a laptop, from old laptop to new laptop, you migrate the data. Similar way, initially we started with MySQL, for example, relational database. I can move it from MySQL to Oracle, MySQL to SQL Server, MySQL to PostgreSQL. This is called migration service that you can achieve with the help of DMS service.